Hi, I'm Holly Morrison. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are here to make a carny dessert. Yes, I did say it. There's a couple things you can leave out to make it pure carnivore. We do not do that because we love ice cream. So we're gonna make a homemade ice cream that we treat almost like a meal once every couple of weeks. I wouldn't even dare say we do it twice a month, 3 times a month, I don't know, but it's great. All right, so we're gonna jump in and show you how to make a homemade custard ice cream. So the first thing I'm gonna do is heat up some milk. So I prefer raw milk. That's what we have right here. I actually have made it with raw heavy cream also. That's kind of costly. We're getting a dairy cow in a few months. We're excited about that. So we will have lots of cream. And I don't know if you can tell, but man, look at the height of that cream on our milk. So I need to start with 1 cup. I use mason jars to measure. That's an 8-ounce cup. This is a 4-ounce. Yep, this makes it easy. And you always have a measuring cup. That is a Holly tip. That one's a freebie. The ice cream, you just wait. So all we need is a cup. Now I might spill it because this is pretty full. So I'm gonna stick it in the bowl. Hopefully I won't spill it. We'll see. We ready? Here we go. Woo! Look at that, I didn't spill a drop. That's amazing. Okay, so now we're gonna need a total of 4 cups of your milk. But we're starting with 1 cup and a 1/4 cup of allulose. This is a 4-ounce measuring cup. This is allulose. This is not carnivore. We've been carnivore long enough to where we know what is a trigger for us. This is not a trigger for us. And this helps my diabetic husband and my 9-year-old and my 16-year-old carnivore family stay happy. So that goes in. We stir it until it dissolves. And then I put it on medium heat until that allulose is totally dissolved. Now, why am I heating up 1 cup of milk? This is what I prefer to do. We're gonna put in 9 eggs. This is gonna kind of temper the eggs and make them set. I am not trying to pasteurize my backyard eggs. But this is gonna go on the burner for like about 3 minutes and I'll be right back. Okay, so what we're gonna do is this is my recipe. I took a recipe that came with our ice cream maker. I tweaked it, made it carnivore. Here we go. So I'm gonna crack 9 eggs. They do not have to be backyard eggs, okay? But we have 50 birds. So yes, we have plenty of ingredients to make ice cream. And come this fall, we will really have plenty of ingredients once we get our dairy cow going. Yeah, I'm pretty good at cracking eggs. Okay, so we're going to get our tempered milk and pour it on top and start the process of buzzing this up. Now you can honestly just buzz everything at once. So I'm gonna go grab my hot milk and I'll be right back. Okay, so we've got our 9 eggs in here. I used to do 8. I think 9 just makes it like set a little bit stronger. So here we go, we're gonna buzz these up. Okay, so there's nothing in there but the 9 eggs. Now I'm gonna turn it on low. Yeah, we're gonna damper the volume so we don't burn your ears out. And we're gonna add this liquid pretty slowly, but not very slowly. And then when we're done with that, we add everything else in. We put it in our cooler and we put it down in ice, and that's it. Like, how easy is that? Okay, so about to get going. Okay, now we're gonna put in, this is not carnivore. If it's a trigger for you, leave it out. If it's not, bless you. So this is just gonna be a couple teaspoons of organic, alcohol-free, so that avoids the wheat, vanilla extract. And I get mine from Trader Joe's. You can skip it. You can skip the allulose and you can totally skip the monk fruit. We're gonna go on and put the monk fruit in. I do about 20 drops. All right. Now, all we're gonna do now is add the rest of the raw milk. And again, I prefer to do it totally raw, but it is not, nothing is triggering me anymore. I'm like totally pain-free. Check out my update that I just put out a few days ago. But we're gonna put this in, buzz it up, and it's going down into the cooler. My blender holds almost all of it, not quite. So here we go. Okay, so obviously we're making a dessert, So a couple of small pinches of salt. We use Redmond's. We'll put an affiliate link for everything we're using today down below the video. So that's it. We're going to turn it on one more time, get it all blended. Okay, so here's our homemade ice cream maker. It's electric. You can do a manual one if you're feeling it. I personally am not. So here's our mixture. It all fit. Isn't that a miracle? I'm going to carefully pour that in. Now, some people chill this down, but all my ingredients were cold, including my eggs. So I'm good to go. Now, certainly make sure your lid is on. And then you're gonna set a timer when you turn this thing on to 30 minutes. That's exactly how long it takes. I just do that so I can be mindful of it, because if the house is hot, I need more ice. If the house is cold, it's usually perfect. Like a minute or so, it will turn itself off. All right, and now I'm just gonna fill this baby up with ice. And of course, when you're making homemade ice cream, you need rock salt. I cover the hole. We do have a little tab that covers it, but you do not want rock salt in your ice cream. And the purpose of salt is that it makes the ice melt, but it keeps it colder than it was when we originally put it in. Get her done, turn it on, and in 30 minutes, I'm going to show you our decadent carnivore custard ice cream. We're gonna turn it on. Let me make sure it's in its spot. And I have a plug right here. And there we go. 30 minutes. We're gonna have some delicious ones. Okay, so have a look. Can you see how it's almost pushing to the top? So about 4 minutes ago, this was about 5 inches down. So don't stop this thing too soon. Wait till it pushes this off. So this right here will push off when it is done, and it will lift and it will turn itself off. So it's just a default feature, but look at this right here. I don't know if you can get that angle right, but it's literally about to push against the lid and it will just turn off. And there we go. Ta-da! Wow, that was awesome timing. Wow, that never happens. So that's it right there. So it's like perfect in all of its ways. Isn't that beautiful? So let's just, let's just take a little, look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? Should I take a bite? I should take a bite, right? Okay. Oh my goodness. Maybe 2 bites? Maybe 2 bites. I'm double dipping. Nobody eat that spot. Glory to God. Ice cream that makes your pants fall off. Have y'all ever watched Butter Bob? I think his name is Bob Briggs. But he talks about how butter, heavy cream, and butter, they're kissing cousins, okay? Heavy cream is basically butter with no salt. Okay, so butter makes you lose weight. So eat your butter, eat your heavy cream, eat your raw, these are raw eggs and raw milk, and come November, we'll have raw heavy cream. So this will be a raw carnivore ice cream. Isn't it just beautiful? Okay, so I got to spoon some up. Here's our pretty little dish. Okay, so just so you know, we were strict carnivore for like 6 weeks. I mean, we didn't do anything but beef, butter, bacon, and eggs. Okay, so that's what strict carnivore is, just so you know. Pretty. Let's do another one. And the longer this sits in here, the stiffer that ice cream will get. So, like if you want, okay, so speaking of not being strict, I'm gonna get one little thing that we're gonna put on top. Be right back. Okay, so this is obviously not strict carnivore either, but it's almost as close as carnivore as this. This is butter and heavy cream. And yes, there is some allulose in here, so this is hot, delicious caramel, and if you let that sit, it will almost turn into a candy. So I don't know, probably Mary is about to run down the stairs to eat this. She's waiting on it. Okay, now that is not strict carnivore because it has allulose, but you can still make that without allulose and it's still gonna taste like caramel sauce. But we'll do a video for that in a little bit. But behold, isn't it gorgeous? Isn't it lovely? Yes, we love ice cream. And I just want you to know that if we had not developed this recipe 2.5 months ago, I don't know that we would still be carnivore. but we are on an anti-inflammatory journey. This causes zero inflammation in our house. Praise the mighty Lamb of God. I think he likes ice cream too, just being honest. We love ice cream. Try this out. Give me a comment, share it, make it, just make it. Just make it, and then come back and tell me what you think. And I do have a link below to our Facebook group. But if you make this, take a picture and link and tag me, Holly Morrison, or Midwest Meanderings. It is better. I check all my comments. But let me know what you think. Okay, we gotta go eat this, so I gotta leave. Thanks for dropping in. Thanks for sharing our content. Thanks for coming along on our healing journey. If you want to check out what's going on in the last 3.5 months for us, we've got an update for Mary. She's healed of asthma and colitis. It's gone. I am 30 years chronic bursitis, gone. 40 pounds down since I went carnivore. That's 3.5 months ago by the time we post this. I am overall, my weight loss is around 115, I think. That's been a 6-year journey. If you want to see my before pictures, check out some of our previous content. Just go to our carnivore playlist. You have inflammation in your body, you've landed in the right spot. The Lord has said the body of Christ, off-grid medically, is his dream, and he's letting me partner with him to help you. So if you want to heal, stick around. We've got a cool video going to be coming out at the end of this week, and it's basically a crash course on anti-inflammatory carnivore as an elimination protocol, a healing, deep healing protocol. No, you do not have to never eat another vegetable or fruit. If you want to heal, you're probably never going to go back to bread and pasta. If you want to heal, stick around. If you want to tickle your tongue, stick around. If you want to eat bread the rest of your life and be sick, you should probably go find an Italian channel. Bless you. Thank you. Oh, affiliate links down below. I don't think we'll have any videos down below. This is not anybody else's recipe but mine, so I don't have anybody to say, hey, I tried out their recipe. Our website, it's a way that you can support our channel. We have a generic affiliate link beneath the video. That means lead in with that video. Lead in with that link. I'm all right. I'm ready to eat some ice cream. Lead in with that link, and then anything you order in the next 24 hours gets credited to our channel at no cost to you. Yes, we are an affiliate. What do we call those? An Amazon affiliate. I am an Amazon affiliate. I'm making that declaration right now. Anyway, but yes, we have a website too, and check it out. We've got a lot of our videos get converted over to blogs. God bless Daniel. He's an amazing dude. He loves the Lord, and he is blessing Midwest Meanderings. So that's it. I gotta go eat my ice cream. Okay, well, thanks for dropping in. Just wanted to let you know the recipe is beneath the video. And also I mentioned Butter Bob, or Bob Briggs. I think it's how you pronounce his name. Yeah, I'm putting his video, his most popular video, beneath the video also. And I would highly recommend you watch his video. It's fantastic.